Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to check your Avast Secure Browser history. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Avast Secure Browser history. So this is very useful if you want to hide something or remove something, or you just want to delete something from your history, or you just want to just check on your Avast Secure history, who's been using your your computer or maybe laptop and want to know if they go to some random sites that you don't want and to check what they're looking for. So yeah, or what sites they visited. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Avast Secure browser. And once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, just hover down and below password and autofill, click on history. There you go. Click on history. Then click history. And here you go. You'll now be located to your history. So once you're here, you can do anything that you want. You can either delete it right here, delete, there you go, remove from history. And you can search what are you looking for. For example, it's YouTube. There you go. All the YouTube categories will go out. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you see or check your Avast Secure Browser history. Another way to do this, to check your Avast Secure Browser history, by clicking or holding Control R, then clicking H. Then there you go. Just Control R and H. You will go to your history. And there you go. I hope you guys like my tip about holding the Control R and then clicking H to go to your history. There you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.